UVdesk is one of the leading help desk solutions, but before you make a decision, here are 12 things you need to know that will help you figure out if it's the right choice for your business. Stick around until the end, and we'll share a better alternative you can try for free. First up, UVdesk offers a robust feature set, but it's not as extensive as some of its competitors. You get ticket management, knowledge base, and automation workflows, which cover most needs, but you might find more advanced features like built-in CRM or advanced reporting missing here. Next thing, UVdesk has strong integrations. You can connect it with a wide range of platforms like Shopify, Magento, and WordPress. However, when compared to other help desk tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk, UVdesk might not have as many out-of-the-box integrations for more niche tools or complex workflows. The third thing to consider is the pricing. UVdesk's pricing is competitive, especially with its free plan. But if you're scaling up, the paid plans might get a bit pricey compared to alternatives like Zoho Desk, which offers more features at a similar price point. Keep in mind that UVdesk offers better value for smaller businesses, but could get costly as you grow. The fourth thing is the user interface. It's clean and intuitive, but it can feel a little dated compared to sleeker options like Freshdesk. If design and user experience are crucial for you, this might be a factor to consider when choosing between UVdesk and its competitors. Now, let's talk about support. UVdesk's customer service is generally responsive, but their support options are not as extensive as those offered by Zendesk, which has 24/7 support and a larger knowledge base. UVdesk offers email and ticket-based support, which can sometimes leave you waiting longer for a response. The sixth thing is the reporting and analytics features. While UVdesk provides basic reports on ticket status, it doesn't offer the level of advanced analytics you'd get from other platforms like Help Scout or Zendesk. So, if detailed reporting is essential for your business, UVdesk might fall short. The seventh thing is automation. UVdesk has good automation workflows, but if you need more advanced customization, you may find better options elsewhere, like Freshdesk or Zoho Desk, which offer more powerful automation features out of the box. The eighth thing is the knowledge base. UVdesk provides a solid knowledge base for customers, but it's not as intuitive or flexible as those from larger competitors like Zendesk. If you want something super customizable, you might want to explore other options. The ninth thing is scalability. UVdesk works well for small businesses and startups, but once your business grows, you might find that some of the limitations in features, reporting, or integrations start to hold you back. More enterprise-focused tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk might be a better fit for larger teams. The 10th thing is security. UVdesk offers essential security features, such as SSL encryption, but if your business requires more advanced security protocols, such as advanced two-factor authentication or IP whitelisting, you may need to look elsewhere. The 11th thing is ease of setup. UVdesk offers a straightforward setup process, especially for those already familiar with popular e-commerce platforms like Magento. But if you're new to help desk solutions, you might find some initial learning curves, especially in customizing the platform. And the 12th thing is the mobile app. UVdesk offers a mobile app to keep track of tickets on the go, but it's not as feature-rich or polished as the apps from competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk. If mobile support is essential, you might want to explore other options first. In conclusion, UVdesk is a great option for smaller businesses looking for an affordable and functional help desk solution. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or scalability, there are alternatives out there, and our recommended solution might be a better fit. Check it out, and you can try it for free today.